Yes, dear students, very good evening. Now, very good evening, dear students. Yes, welcome to the ACE Online. Welcome to the ACE Online. It is powered by the ACE Engineering Academy. ACE is a brand for the GATE, ESC, and various PSU exams. Now, dear, this is a ACE Online. Welcome. Now, coming to myself, dear. Coming to myself, I am Jnaneshwar. Coming to myself, I am Jnaneshwar, dear. Okay, fine. Now, yes, subject name is control system. Subject name is control system. Yes, fine. Subject is a control system. Now, yes, ACE Online is powered by the ACE Engineering Academy. What is the today, topic control system? Preparation strategy. Wow, nice. It is a preparation strategy for GATE and ESC, Engineering Service Examinations. Now, preparation strategy for GATE and various GATE and ESC. Yes, dear. It is also applicable for EC, electrical instrumentation. Common subject, this is a control system beauties. It is a common subject for the EC, electrical instrumentation. Okay, fine. Now, dear, first we'll discuss GATE 2023. It is going to conduct in the January and February in between. Now, dear students, in the last week or February first week. So, based upon the notification, but from the Jan to February, it is going to conduct GATE 2023. Before entering into the control system preparation strategy, first let us brief introduction about the GATE year. What is the paper structure, you know, but once observe. Yes, dear, you know, GATE examination is the 3 hours, dear, 180 minutes, 3 hours, 180 minutes. Now, how many questions here? 65 questions, dear. So, 180 minutes and 65 questions, dear. In 65 questions, what are the questions types here? Now, 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions are 30. 2 marks are 35. 35 product of 270 plus 30, 100 marks, dear. So, these are 1 mark and 2 marks. And what are the questions types here? Questions types here. Now, types of questions to be asked in the GATE. What are the different types of questions are asked in the GATE here? Now, here. Types of questions to be asked in the GATE, dear. There are 3 types of questions are asked here. First one, multiple choice question. You know very well. What is a multiple choice question? They are going to give the 4 options, dear. A, B, C, D. Out of 4 options, one of the correct, one option is correct. You have to select only one option. That is called as a multiple choice questions, dear. Out of 4, only one is the correct answer. Multiple choice questions. MCQs. Second one is a numerical answer type. This simple language, fill in the blanks. Numerical answer type, dear, numerical answer type, that is a fill in the blanks. There are no options are going to give, fill in the blanks, we have to fill the answer. That is a third type is a multiple select questions. Here, now this third one is a different. They are going to give the 4 options. Out of 4 options, more than one option is correct. Maybe AB correct, ABC correct, ABCD correct, or BD correct, BCD correct, or CD correct. More than one options are correct. That is the MCQ. Here first one, only one option. Numerical answer type, fill in the blanks. More than one options are correct. Third one. These are the 3 types of questions are asked in the GATE, dear. 3 types of questions are asked in the GATE here. Now, once again, numerical type answer, MCQ, MSQ. Dear. Now, negative marking, this is a very important. Negative marking, 1/3 for MSQs. Out of 3, dear, out of 3, only negative marking for MCQs only. MCQs, they are going to, now penalty of 1/3. For 1 mark, 0.33. For, where about 2 marks, 0.66 mark. 0.66. Types, now that is a negative marking, very important. 1/3 for MSQs. For numerical answer type, no, no negative marking. For MSQ also no negative marking, but 1/3 for MSQ. Dear. Calculation with virtual calculator is allowed. There are no physical calculators allowed here in the GATE exam. There is no physical calculator. The GATE examiner is going to provide the calculator in the, now virtual calculator. That is this is GATE calculator you have to use. Yes, dear, this is the main, brief introduction about the GATE 2023. Now, fine. Dear students, this is the eligibility criteria. 3rd year students are also eligible. Once upon time, only 4th year students are going to eligible, but right now, 3rd year students are also eligible, dear. And latest after Corona time, from last 2 years onwards, increase the number of papers attempts, two streams can be applied here. This is a very, very important. This is a new point. Increase the number of paper attempts, two streams can be applied. One branch student can write the two papers. In a year, academic year, one branch students can write the two papers of the GATE. How, sir? Suppose let us EC branch students. Let us, I am selecting EC branch students. Now, let us, each branch is EC. So, EC means you can select, okay, one more combination of instrumentation. EC is a primary, and you can also select, write the instrumentation of secondary. Now, okay, now coming to the electrical people, electrical as a primary, and you can select the another paper out of EC electrical instrumentation. You have tried the instrumentation paper. Instrumentation people, you have the two options. Either you can select EC or electrical. Your wish. EC or electrical deal. So instrumentation people, you have the two options. You can select either EC or electrical. My suggestion, instrumentation people, better to select the EC paper. Why? Because in the electrical you need to study the power system, power electronics, machines, more lengthy subjects. So instrumentation people, secondary subject, better to select the EC paper dear. EC paper. For EC there is no other option, instrumentation. For electrical instrumentation, where about instrumentation paper, either you can select EC or electrical. This is a increase the number of paper attempts, two streams can be applied here. In academic year, you can write the two papers, that is okay, branch wise. Yes dear. Now next to dear, yeah, fine. Now, okay, fine. So whatever I am telling, just after releasing the GATE paper, there may be minor changes. Now, okay, minor changes in the syllabus as well as pattern also. Okay, there may be minor changes after the releasing of the notification. Now, I am telling all this one based upon the last year up to GATE 2022 based upon the experience. Now, I am writing. So, maybe minor changes in the syllabus and patterns. Yes, dear. Now, coming to, yes, today main topic is a preparation strategy. Preparation strategy, dear. Preparation strategy for the, now, okay, preparation strategy. Let us, first how to prepare, dear. Anyone, first prepare the faculty notes, dear. First one, prepare the faculty notes, dear. Faculty notes. Suppose you are my student, you are attended my class. Already, either direct physical class, or live class, or recorded class, or any mode you have attended my class. So, whatever I gave the notes, prepare faculty notes. Sir, I am not your student, sir. Means I am the, okay, outsider, sir. Means you can read any textbook or any other material. From that one, you can prepare the notes, dear. If you are my students, if you are A students, prepare the faculty notes. If you are not A students, means you can read the textbook or anything, you can prepare the, okay, notes here. That is the own notes, self notes. Or those who are my students are there or A students are there, first to prepare the faculty notes. Minimum 2 times you have to prepare, dear. 2 times for each subject you have to prepare the 2 times. After preparing this faculty notes, you have to write the short notes, dear. Very, okay, short notes. Prepare the short notes, dear. Main formula, okay. Prepare the short notes, dear. After preparing short notes, now dear students who have practice the ACE material. If you are belongs to the ACE students, means you can prepare the ACE material. You are belongs to the outside, means you can take the any material, you can practice the GATE related material, dear. Practice ACE. ACE is oriented to the GATE and IES. So prepare the practice the ACE material. After the faculty notes, practice the ACE material, dear. Next to write online test series. These are very important. After writing this one, test your, okay, what is your preparations. Now write the online test series. That is a very important. Write the online test series. Okay, now write online test series, dear. Write online test. Now after writing online test series here, okay, find here, revision needed, dear. Compulsory, whatever the faculty notes, prepare the short notes, practice ACE material. From ACE material you get the something which is not covered in the notes, not covered in the faculty notes. That points also you have to add here. Okay, that points also add in the short notes. Write online test series. In the online test series also you get the some new, okay, some new models. That formula also write in the short notes. After all this one, prepare the micro notes, dear. Prepare the micro notes. So short notes, micro notes, revision is needed, dear. Compulsory minimum 2 times revision is needed for each and every subject. So, and also not only practice ACE material, here in the revision time, you have to, before online test series here, before, okay, now I am writing, dear, practice ACE material and previous GATE and ESE question also, dear. Previous GATE and ESE questions, dear. You have to practice GATE and ESE questions. ESE, especially prelims questions. ESE prelims questions, dear. Now, GATE and prelims questions. Here the preparation strategy, how to prepare, dear, how to practice here, my dear friends. Suppose your branch is EC. If your branch is EC, dear, if your branch is EC, then practice the GATE previous questions of EC branch. Control systems are common for all the branches now. Practice the electrical, practice the instrumentation, dear. Now, dear, if your home branch is EC, then practice all the 30 years EC paper, all 30 years electrical paper, all 30 years instrumentation paper. Okay, after practicing this one, then ESE prelims paper of EC and also electrical, 30 years paper. 30 years paper, dear. If your branch is electrical, dear, if your branch is electrical means first to practice electrical gate, then EC gate, then instrumentation gate. Then first electrical ESE, then EC EC. If a branch is instrumentation, then first to practice the instrumentation, all the previous question paper, then you can select the EC is a better. Second, go for EC, then third electrical, dear, electrical. So practice the EC and electrical previous papers of IES, dear, IES previous papers. Previous paper. From all this one you will get the lot of knowledge here. So all the any different is there. Maintain all the different models, different formulas in the short notes. From the short notes prepare the micro notes. So faculty notes is there. From this one if you get any new model, okay, why? Because no one will cover the complete there. It is a GATE is a syllabus of ocean, big river here, covering all not possible for the single person. Suppose here covered something, here you will get the something, some new formula, something new concept, anything different model which is not covered in the faculty notes. That one highlight here and write down in the short notes, or you can write in the main notes only. Just extension of this one, and finally you have to maintain the short notes and micro notes here. And revision is needed also. Continuously revision is needed. Okay, dear. This is a preparation, mainly preparation. Okay, dear. And try to avoid the social media, dear. This is a very important. Try to avoid the social media. 6th point is very important. So I am highlighting that 6th point is observe. Avoid means you may fight with me completely. No, instead of avoid, what I am using here, observe. Hello, dear. Instead of avoid, what is the word I am using here? Now, dear students, use this WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram only for knowledge sharing, dear. Only for knowledge sharing, dear. Up to GATE exam, your target is IIT. Suppose your target is IIT, okay? To get something, you have to sacrifice something, dear. In order to get something, you have to sacrifice something. Otherwise, it is a difficulty. So try to avoid, okay? Try to avoid best. No, sir. I want to use means very less time. You have to use very less time in a day. That is only for knowledge sharing point of view. Use the WhatsApp. My best suggestion, I think this is knowledge, okay? Instagram, Facebook also only for knowledge sharing. Before one month, already you got the material, you will get the material. Before 1 or 2 months, completely deactivate this one. Completely deactivate this one. Before 2 months or 1 month, after getting the material or after getting information, completely remove this one. You can take the interviews of the, whenever you observe see the interviews of the toppers, they'll complete 2 months, completely avoid this social media. This one, and this is only for knowledge sharing point of view, dear. Now, okay, fine. Yes, avoid social media, dear. Instead of avoid what I am writing, what I am telling, try to use very less time only for knowledge sharing point of view. Knowledge sharing point of view. Yes, Time management dear, time management here. Last point here I am writing here. Seventh point, time management dear, time management. Time management, okay, this is also important here. 7 rules to prepare the preparation strategy dear. Any subject, not only control system here, these 7 rules for anything. Okay, for life also we require 7 rules. Now here 7 rules required for the preparation of the GATE exam. Now time management, effective study is required. Today I have studied 4 hours, tomorrow 0 hours, next day 1 hour. No, that is not a systematic preparation here. Today I have studied 4 hours, tomorrow 0 hours, next day half an hour, that next day, okay, something 0 hours. That is not a, okay, no, that is not a effective study here. Time management means today I have to read the 4 hours, tomorrow also 4 hours, day after tomorrow also 4 hours. You have any function or anything or college, you have to balance the college exam, something. You have to get up morning 4 o'clock. There is no other. To get something, you have to sacrifice something dear. Valuable things you never get easily. Valuable things you never get easily. You are getting easily means that is not a valuable things dear. You are getting easily means that is not a valuable things. A valuable things you never get easily. So dear friends, no sir, I am doing, okay, I am attending colleges, I am attending now job, okay, something, okay, I have to balance college, I have to balance something, what we call, okay, job. No dear, you have to balance accordingly. You have to get up morning 4 o'clock, okay, time is valuable, okay, up to 6 months you have to do dear, sacrifice something. Morning 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock you have to prepare. Again after coming to the college or some job, from evening 7 to, okay, 10 o'clock you can prepare. So every day minimum 5 hours up to November is compulsory required, 4 to 5 hours is required. That is a time management effective study. You have to balance, okay, balanced required. Now time management dear, 7th point is important. Yes dear, okay fine. Now before same whatever I given time management, same thing, this you know regularly. Same point I am going to tell in another word, okay, motivation only dear, motivation point of view. Yes dear, yes, your aim is IIT top position. Now study while others are sleeping dear, to get something. Now okay, work while others are loafing dear. Yes, prepare while others are playing. Up to GATE exam, after getting IIT, after getting top jobs, you can play every day dear. Now okay dear, dream while others are wishing. Yes, I am in this position, you have to dream now only, okay. Now this is the best motivation quotation for time management in differently I am telling. Yes dear. Yeah, okay fine. Now we'll discuss, yeah, syllabus of control system. Syllabus of control system dear, what are the, yes, till now, just now I talked about the, okay, I spoke about the what, general. What is a GATE, how many hours, how many questions, what to do, some, okay, 7 rules to prepare the GATE, general rules. Now purely I am entering into the my subject control system. Yeah, super, control system. Now first chapter, basics of control system. Now we'll discuss individually what is the basics of control system, all this one. Chapter 2, this one, block diagrams dear, in the control system. Now third chapter, signal flow graph. Fourth chapter, time response analysis. Wow, Routh-Hurwitz stability method. From here onwards, stability starts. Now dear, wow, chapter 6 is the root locus, very beautiful chapter. Now Bode plot, chapter 7. Yes, tomorrow one important concept I need to discuss now. Yes, tomorrow I am going to select the important concept from the root locus only. Very beautifully we'll discuss what is the root locus, all this one. Now we'll discuss tomorrow dear, that is about the tomorrow, okay, root locus. Yes, Bode plot, now Nyquist plot. Here in this one only I have included the polar plot and Nyquist plot, both together same. Now compensators, last chapter state space analysis dear. Last chapter state space analysis. Okay dear, state space analysis, nice. Yeah, one thing I can say dear, control system is a beautiful subject, sweetest subject in electronics and electrical. It is the sweetest subject. It is a scoring subject. Control system is a scoring subject and basic subject, opening subject. We can start first subject itself is a control system dear. First subject itself is a control system. People, students will ask many things. I am receiving the mails. Sir, before starting the control system, any subject I need to prepare, sir? Not at all required here. whatever the basics are required, some Laplace transform, I'm going to discuss in this one only. But very few only Laplace transform basics is enough. But you can start the first opening subject here. Yeah, in opening subject first one, you can start network theory also. You can start network theory also. That is also linked to the many subjects, digital also, control system also. Like, okay, now these are the common subject. You can start beginning also. Now this is I can see it is one of the sweetest subject in complete electronics and electrical. Very interesting subject. You can enjoy a lot, dear. That is a scoring subject. Yeah, we'll discuss one by one. What is the topics are there? Everything we'll discuss nicely, dear. Yeah, fine. Yes, gate weightage. First, we are preparing the gate weightage for the control system, dear. Preparation strategy we are discussing. What is the gate weightage for the control system? You can observe. Now, gate weightage. What is the gate weightage? Wow, beautifully. Wow. Idhar observe. Gate weightage, dear. Gate weightage. Now, from 2017 onwards, because of space point of view, I have written from 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, dear. Observe. So, latest paper, dear. Latest paper 2022, 1 mark 2, 2 marks 3. Total how many marks, dear? 8 marks here in 2022 for EC branch. Here 1 mark 2, 2 marks, 8 marks again. Instrumentation 10 marks, dear, from control system. Okay, you can observe, okay, differently here. Now, okay, dear, anywhere you can observe, okay, here, what is EC? 8 plus 10 marks. In this one, EC we got 10 marks, dear, totally. In this one, EC got 10 marks. EC people got 10 marks total. Now, here how many marks? We are 6 plus 10, 10 marks. So, 10 plus 2, 12 marks. So, dear, on an average 8 to 12 marks we are getting. 8 to 12 marks is getting, dear. So, simple, okay, minimum 8 to 12 marks irrespective of the branch, dear. 8 to 12 marks out of 100, dear. And this 8 to 12 marks scoring easily we can get, dear. Easily we can get, okay, na? If you prepare, if you attend my classes, if you attend our ACE classes, if you practice ACE materials, okay, easily you can get the 8 to 12 marks, dear. Okay, it is a scoring subject, hence I am telling. Yeah, super. This is a weightage, dear. Once again observe nicely. Yeah, dear. Okay, fine. Here. Yes, fine. Yes, this is a gate weightage, dear. Gate weightage. Okay, super. Gate weightage. Now, after gate weightage, next same control system is common for ESC also. Engineering Service Examination for the post of ESC, dear. For the post of ESC, for the post of IES, Engineering Service Examination. Now, observe the Engineering Service Examination weightage here. Now, after gate weightage here, okay, once observe, scan it. What is the gate weightage marks? If you want, note down here. If you want, note down from the top 2017 onwards. Yes, if you want, take the, okay, now, okay, fine. I'll stand here. Now, if you want, you can take it. This is a gate weightage for control system, dear. Control system. Subject is, name of the subject is control system. Okay, similarly, dear, for ESC, wow, nice, super, wow. This is a ESC weightage, dear. ESC prelims weightage. For ESC means Engineering Service Examination, control system. Here we have EC and electrical. Now, instrumentation people also you can write EC, okay. You can select the any paper. Now, 2022, but it is a 12 number of questions, dear. These are the number of questions here. What I am writing, these are the number of questions, dear. Now, okay, it is a number of questions. Each questions here, number of questions, dear. Each question having 2 marks. Each question is how many marks? Each question in prelims paper, each question is having 2 marks, dear. 2 marks. So tell me in the 2022 for EC 12 product up to 24 marks. So an average, dear, this is getting around 18 to 25 marks. Okay, year 2000. Okay, EC people 2018, 21 and 2 to 42 marks. So an average highest is 42. So 18 to approximately 42 marks we are getting. So based upon the variable, but latest paper 12 product up to almost 24. So 24. So maximum you are getting how much? 42. So based variable dear, variable. So this is a prelims weightage dear. This is a prelims weightage. Prelims weightage. Now coming to the same thing, IES, okay, mains also we have. ESC mains for control system. What is the mains weightage? Wow, super. ESC mains. In 2021, till now 2022, okay, not conducted. So ESC mains. Now 70 marks dear. This is 70 marks. Electrical 104, highest marks in all the subject, highest marks. Electrical people check it, 104 marks highest. Only 2 subjects got 104 marks, missions and this one 104. But from the control system getting 104 marks is a use marks here 104. But on average we are getting minimum 64, minimum 64. Here EC average maintaining 80, okay 70. 72 maximum 84. For electrical, minimum 60, maximum is 104 dear. So not less than 60, okay, 104 is the highest marks. This is the ESC mains weightage dear. Control system, ESC mains weightage. Okay dear. Okay, what are the textbook you have to prepare? During the journey of the gate, what textbook you need to prepare? What textbook you need to prepare? Okay, preparation is required. First and standard textbook, Control System Engineering by I.J. Nagarath and Gopal. Very standard textbook dear. Standard. It is useful for the, not only, okay, mainly used for the IES means and interview point of view dear. Interview point of view, very standard textbook. Okay, na, standard textbook. Now, Norman S. Nice. This is also very good textbook. Now, okay, fine. Next one. Yes, Control System Engineering by Ogato. Yes, these are the standard textbook dear. Standard textbooks. Now, I want, sir, if anyone requesting, sir, I want the cover pages of the textbook means, observe the cover pages of the textbook here. Wow, nice. Here, okay. Same textbook dear, I am writing the, okay, here, cover pages. Nagarath and Gopal, Norman Nice, okay, Ogato. These are the control system papers. Now, the cover pages. The cover pages, if you want, okay, purchase, now the cover pages of the textbook for reference point of view. Textbook for reference point of view dear. Wow, nice. Yeah. Yes dear. Now we'll go to the one by one here. Now we'll one by one. Yeah, if you have any doubt also dear, if you have any doubt also, in meanwhile you can chat with me. You have the chance. Yes. Yes. Meanwhile. Yeah dear. Okay, fine. Okay, you can chat. If you have any doubt also, you can ask me dear. Now, okay, nice dear. Yes, very good students. Now, okay dear. Here what I am writing, now dear. Okay, fine. Now, let us, initially all the people will show the more interest here. To start any work, initially will show the more interest. Gate is in the month of February, but at the time of joining, suppose I want to prepare, today you are attending my class. Oh, today after SOR is given nicely, I want to prepare very sincerely. Now I am going to crack the, okay, gate, now I am going to join in the IIT. First day will show the more interest. But later on, the energy level slowly decreases dear. If you have the really zeal, burning desire is required here. Burning desire is required. Now for that, so anything, whatever the struggles, whatever the problems will get in the middle, if you start the work, whatever the problems will get, don't stop this preparation here. Okay, now don't stop. So for that one, best motivation quotation I am providing, my best motivation quotation, don't stop when you tired dear, stop when you are done dear. If you are already my older, okay, this is my favorite motivation quotation dear. Now, yes, don't stop when you are tired dear, stop when you are done dear. But during the preparation, you have to balance college and gate preparation, you have to balance, okay, the job and this one family and gate preparation. You get the so many problems dear, but all are nothing but whatever the problems are getting, the struggle, whatever you are facing today, that develops the strength you need for tomorrow dear. So for that, okay, best motivation point of view, the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. So dear students, don't give up dear. In the middle, don't give up. So okay, now yes, this is the starting. Now don't give up dear. Whatever the struggle you'll face, obviously no, okay, everyone will get the problems. So don't give up dear. In the middle, don't give up. Now topic wise we'll discuss control system topic wise. Yes, basics of control system. Let us, I'll classify gate as well as ESC dear. In the gate point of view, now in the basics of control system, what are the topics are covered? First, one by one. Control system definition, first one. Control system definition, first one. Second one, classification of control system, open loop, closed loop, definitions. Now, again in the closed loop control system, positive feedback, negative feedback. Positive feedback comparison with the negative feedback, which is more preferred. Negative feedback is more preferred. Now, later comparison between the open loop and closed loop system. In that, you will get the sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis is important for the gate point of view. Previous experience in the gate, the examiner is not asking what is open loop, what is a closed loop, or nothing. They are concentrating on the sensitivity analysis from the basics of control system. If we come into the prelims paper, IES prelims paper ESC, they are concentrating theory questions. Okay, open loop, closed loop, comparison, mainly comparison, open loop, closed loop, which is the best one, which is this one. So they are asking from the topic also. Gate point of they are concentrating from the sensitivity analysis. This is about the chapter 1, basics of control system here. Now, if you move to the, yes, meanwhile, if you get the anything, yes dear, okay. Now, okay, fine. In meanwhile, if you have any doubt also post video, I am ready to, okay, now attend that one. Yes, chapter 2 dear, block diagrams. Now, first chapter completely theory oriented. Now, here onwards, in our control system, the game start mathematically dear, block diagrams. Very beautifully, in the gate point of view, block diagram. Examiner is going to give the block diagram dear. They're going to ask the overall gain. So only one topic dear. Oh, okay, they're going to ask the overall gain dear. Overall gain of the system. Both gate and ESC, overall gain they're going to ask. Examiner is going to give the block diagram. Now they're going to ask the overall gain. Sometimes in gate, they ask the question from the reduction of the block diagram reduction rules also. From block diagram reduction rules also, very few times, very less time. But most of the 99% questions are, examiner is going to give the block diagram. So we have to find the overall gain. And engineering college like block diagram reduction rules, block diagram question, directly we want to answer, they are going to give the options dear, options. Okay, na dear? That is about the block diagrams dear, block diagrams. So to simplify this one, we require the block diagram reduction rules. That is shifting the take-up point before the block, after the block, shifting the summing point before the block, after the block. If the blocks are a series, what to do, blocks are parallel, what to do. So all the rules and regulations are required here. Next to, after this one, nicely with confidently, now we are going to enter the signal flow graph. Chapter 3 dear, chapter 3. In signal flow graph dear, we should know the definition of the individual loops. Individual loops, you know, starting point, ending point same. 2 non-touching loops, 2 non-touching loop, 3 non-touching loops. Here examiner is going to give the signal flow graph. They are going to ask the number of forward paths, comma, individual loops, comma, 2 non-touching loops. He is going to give the question signal flow graph. From the signal flow graph, in the given signal flow graph, number of loops are dash, number of 2 non-touching loops are, number of 3 non-touching loops are. That is a one type of model question here. One type of model question, both for gate and ESC. And later, after this model, then, okay, next one dear, examiner is going to give the signal flow graph. He is going to ask the overall gain of the signal flow graph. Overall gain of the signal flow graph, same as overall gain of the signal flow graph. Overall gain of the given signal flow graph. Given signal flow graph, SFG. Okay, given signal flow graph. So overall gain dear. So to find the overall gain, we are going to use a Mason's gain formula dear. Mason's gain formula. So what is the Marson's gain formula? All this one. Now we are going to learn the Marson's gain. By using Marson's gain, we can find the overall gain of the signal flow graph here. Signal flow graph. So very beautifully we will discuss. This is a IS prelims also same thing. But IS mains point of view here, what the examiner is going to ask, here. They'll provide, examiner is going to provide one block diagram. IS mains point of view, reduce the block diagram, find the overall gain, convert the given block diagram into equivalent signal flow graph. From the signal flow graph, using Marson's gain formula, find the overall gain, show that both are equal. That is for mains point of view, that type of questions. Okay, now, but that type of questions are not going to ask in the gate and prelims point of view. Practical not possible, objective point of view. This is all about the signal flow graph here. This is all about the signal flow graph here. Okay, fine. Next. This is all about the signal flow graph. Next, chapter 4 dear, time response analysis. Till now in the block diagram and signal flow graph, okay, you are going to enjoy letters mathematical oriented. Now theory point you will get the more in the time response analysis. Time is independent variable. So most of the system analysis, for most of the system analysis, we use the time. Why? Because it is independent variable. So it is important to analyze. Here only two responses dear. Transient response, steady state response. What is a transient response? What is a steady state response? You need to identify one formula is the limit t tends to infinity. One term is 0, that is a transient. The term is not equal to 0 is called a steady state. So you need to identify which is a transient, which is a steady state. After transient steady state here, now time domain, okay, time domain specifications. That is a delay time, rise time, peak overshoot, and time constant, settling time. So calculations and calculations all this one. Now after that one numerical about the how to find given system any transfunction compare with standard second order system. From that get the omega n value, from that one get the zeta value here. Okay, zeta value. So from this you can expect the question. And later there is one more topic is there, dominant pole concept here. Dominant pole. By using this concept, previously the questions were asked here, dominant approximation. Okay. Next after dominant approximation, steady state errors dear. Steady state error. Directly steady state error. Gate point of view dear, examiner is going to provide in the gate point of view dear, examiner is asking what? They are giving block diagram, something arrangement, and from the block diagram they are asking steady state error. Numerical 2 marks point of view. Gate point of view they are giving some block diagram. After simplifying, so we have to find the steady state error for this one. Okay, they will give the noise signal or disturbance signal. Find out the steady state error for this one. That is a gate 2 marks question. Now prelims point of IS prelims point of view here, directly they are asking from KP, KV, KA related questions. Steady state error for unit step input type 0 system, unit step input type 1 system. Some standard table is there. If you read the table for mains prelims point of view, many times the questions are asking from the steady state error, especially type and that rule dear. If you know that the table, then we are going to attempt this prelims paper dear. Gate point they are asking the numericals. Okay, numericals. In the time response analysis, okay, KP, KV, KA dear. Meanwhile, okay, if you have any doubts, you can post me dear. Yes. Yeah, you can ask anything dear. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, good. Now dear, let us. KP, KV, KA dear, excellent, super. Now later dear, after practicing KP, KV, KA, these are specialist formulas are there and also general formula also steady state error. Then different problems, okay, variety of numericals are there. That is about the time response analysis dear, time response analysis. Next, stability start from here only dear. Stability start from this chapter. You need to know the interview point of view. What is a stable system? What is a marginal stable system? What is the unstable system? what is a pole, what is a zero definition, why is stability decided by only poles, what is the reason, what is the stability decided by only poles. Now later, for stability, all the poles should be left off of a plane. If one pole right side, what happens system? Unstable. That conditions, now you are going to learn in the Raut-Hurwitz stability. So that is mainly the definitions are useful only for interview point of view. Interview point of view, dear. Now coming to the gate examination point of Raut-Hurwitz method, there are 4 models are there. Normal Raut-Hurwitz tabular, and second, first column element is 0. Third model is dear. What is the third model here? Complete row is 0. Fourth model, conditional stability. So many time both exams dear, in all the exams, first important model is conditional stability. They are asking many time the questions are asking from conditional stability dear. Examiner, both GATE and IAS, first priority I am going to give the conditional stability dear. Conditional stability means examiner is going to provide the some characteristic equation here. Let us S43 4s square plus 9s. Now some k dear. They are going to ask the condition for stability like that. Something, what is the condition for k stability? So okay, examiner is going to ask the question condition for stability. Conditional stability, that is the first model dear, important model. Second, we are getting the question from the previous paper analysis. One complete row is 0. From that, okay, second priority. First priority from the chapter, many times examiner is asking questions. Many times, okay, almost more than 80% I can give the priority for this one. 80% in the chapter, weightage for the conditional stability. Second priority goes to the one complete row 0. If one complete row 0 means what to do dear? We need to write the auxiliary equation. From that you have to get the okay values. Later, okay, first column element is 0, then normal model. Okay, fine. This is about the Raut-Hurwitz stability method here. Raut-Hurwitz stability method. One of the simple chapter. Next, root locus. Root locus. In the root locus dear, yes, what are the questions are asking in the GATE exam? GATE and ES prelims. First dear, you need to find the dear, yes, number of asymptotes. This is a very simple question, no one will ask. Number of asymptotes, no one will ask. Angle of asymptotes, this is a formula. Okay, questions are asking from angle of asymptotes. Questions are asking. From this one, no one is asking direct, very simple. Angle of asymptote also you are getting questions. Angle of asymptote formula 2q plus 1 upon, okay, p minus z, product of 180 degrees dear. Yes, this is a one topic you can expect, but one more question only dear. Now one more question only. Now centroid also you are getting. Now this also both questions are belongs to 1 mark only dear. 1 mark only, centroid. Angle of asymptote comma centroid. Next to 2 marks point of view dear. Break point dear, break away point, break in point. Break away point, break in point, that is a 2 marks point of view. And intersection point with imaginary axis. Intersection point with imaginary axis. Intersection point with imaginary axis. This is in the out of all this one many times in the ESC prelims dear. ESC prelims many times. First priority goes to the ESC prelims many times. Next dear, in the GATE point of view, angle of departure, angle of arrival. Angle of departure. Angle of departure, comma, angle of arrival. In the GATE point of view, the priority goes to the, okay, break point is a priority many times giving. Angle of departure also in the GATE point is providing. So these 3 topics are 2 marks dear, 2 marks point of view. Okay, angle of asymptote centroid, very less, 1 mark. 1 mark. Now I am going to draw the line here. Yes dear. Break points are asking for 2 marks. It is for GATE. Intersection point, imaginary, they are more concentrating in the ESC prelims. Angle of departure, angle of arrival in the GATE point of view dear. That is nothing but they are not asking the prelims means so first priority are written. They are asking ESC prelims also break point, angle of departure also. In the GATE also they are asking intersection point also dear. Many times the questions are repeated from this topic dear. After individually, just to you need to know the examiner is providing what na? They are giving the root locus dear. They are giving the root locus. Examiner is giving root locus. We need to find the transfer function g of s h of s. That is a one model question. One model question. One more model question here. Examiner is providing trans function. From that one, you have to write the root locus or identify options. Identify the option. Root locus, they are giving question. Options are trans function. Options. These are the options are giving trans functions. Now, trans functions are giving root locus are options. 4 options are giving. Options dear. So we know the some logical analysis to without touching pen and paper how to select that one. Okay. Now, if you attend the session, then we can learn. With the eyes only, we can tell the answer, what to do, what not to do, how to eliminate the option. So, if you have the command, all this one, if you get the command, then without touching pen and paper, without writing the root locus, then we can select the answers dear. We can select the answers dear. Okay, dear. Okay, fine. Yes, meanwhile, you can, okay, anything genuine doubt is there, then I will attend the session dear. Yeah, dear. Okay, fine, fine. Yes. Yes, meanwhile, okay, fine. Let us, okay, chapter 7 dear, Bode plot. In the Bode plot chapter dear, in the Bode plot chapter mainly concentrating examiner. Inverse Bode plot dear. Inverse Bode plot means examiner is going to give the Bode plot. Examiner is going to give the Bode plot dear. These are the, okay, 70% questions are from this one. Examiner will give, then we need to identify the transfer function or options. Options, 4 options. So, examiner question is Bode plot, 4 options are trans function. Again, some tips are there, some tips analysis. So, how to select the from Bode plot to trans function to Bode plot, all this one. Some rules and regulations are this. Now, we will discuss very nicely in the classrooms. Okay, na? Yes. So, that is a, okay, Bode plot to trans function. This topic name is called as inverse Bode plot here. Actually, we call as inverse Bode plot actually. This is complete. Bode plot to trans function is nothing but inverse Bode plot. Then again, one thing dear, sinusoidal response. This year paper also sinusoidal response. Sinusoidal response dear, sinusoidal response. Now input is sine, output also sine, input is cos, output also cos. Only magnitude phase shift is different. A very important topic, very important topic here. So both gate, okay, especially gate point of view, sinusoidal response dear. Okay, this is one more topic is there. Then later in the gate point of view, classification of the system. Classification of system means minimum pay system, non-minimum pay system, all pass system. All pass system. One time recently the question was given for instrumentation. They given one trans function, it acts as a Watt filter. So all pass filter, that magnitude should be 1 only. It should pass through all the frequency. Okay, gate point of view, these are the important. IS point of view important. In IS, one topic is their frequency domain specification. Resonant frequency, resonant okay, peak and bandwidth. Mainly the topic is asking for IS only. Okay, gate point of view very less. That is, once again repeating, frequency domain specification. That is a resonant frequency, resonant peak, bandwidth. That topic mainly concentrating the IS only, ESC only. These are the topic in the Bode plot here. Now Nyquist plot. To start the Nyquist plot, we should know the polar plot basics. Polar plot, okay, after writing the polar plot, okay, polar plot minimum rules and regulations are required polar plot. Here dear, you must know the 2 rules dear, 2 rules here. Number of encirclements, P minus Z only. One more, number of encirclement to P minus Z only dear. But only the difference here, you should know the command, what is the difference between these two. Allow dear, number of encirclement with respect to origin, number of encirclement with respect to -1 plus J0. This point, you should know this point. This first one you use to find the open loop system stability. To determine open loop system stability. Okay, second one dear students, second one used for closed loop system stability. Used for the closed loop system stability. Closed loop system stability. Okay, that you must know the difference between these two. And also you must know the what is enclosement, what is the encirclement. Difference between the enclosement and encirclement. Later dear, okay fine, next to examiner is going to give the Nyquist plot. What is the transfer function for this one? Or they will give the transfer function, you have to identify the Nyquist plot. That is number of encirclement infinite radius of circle equal to number of poles at origin by using that rule. Some rules and regulations are required now, but by giving what are the questions you can expect. Examiner will give the Nyquist plot. They give a Nyquist plot NP. Now we need to find transfer function. Means options only. They will give the options only here. They will provide the options. Provides options here. They will provide the options. Okay, this topic, dear. This topic. And in the Bode plot, hello dear. Yes, in the Bode plot, one more topic is there. Gate and ESE point of view. That is gain crossover frequency. Okay, gain crossover frequency. In the Bode plot, phase crossover frequency, gain margin, phase margin dear, and phase margin also. Phase margin also. A same concept from the Nyquist plot also, how to find the omega GC, omega PC, gain margin, phase margin. Here also we need to find from the Nyquist plot, the topic also. Okay, find gain margin and phase margin. The Nyquist plot also. Some asymptotic concept is there, asymptotic line also we need to draw. Okay, that was about the Nyquist plot here. These are the important questions are asking. Previous paper analysis, now Nyquist plot here. So after end of this one, now almost all compensators and controllers. In compensator, first if you know the lead, then lag is simple dear. Mainly in the lead, in the gate point of view, first I will teach the gate point of view. Gate point of view, what topics are asking, from where, whether lead or lag, both. Pole zero configuration is important. Pole zero configuration means for lead, 0 is near to the imaginary. For lag, pole is near to the imaginary. Pole zero configuration, that is the first thing. Both gate and ESE point of view important. And dear students, next to what is the alpha value, what is the beta value, what is the time constant for, okay, what is the T for, okay, lead, what is the T for lag, and also omega m for both, what is the maximum phase angle. These are the formula useful for the numericals. Addition this one, in the ESE paper what they are asking in ESE, addition to this one in ESE, okay, above plus effects of lead and lag compensator, effects of lead comma lag. Many times, effects of lead and lag. From that, they are asking the question in the prelims paper dear. They are asking the question prelims paper dear. Yes. And controls also, what is the transfer function for the controller? PD controller, PI controller, PID controller, then numericals related to the PID controllers. Okay, the topics. They are mainly linking controllers with time response chapter. They are not asking directly. In the time response, they are linking with the block diagram. Okay, they are asking the question with the time response analysis related. Okay, that was about the compensator and controllers here. Mainly this is the gate, and additionally ESE above topic plus effects of lead comma lag. Last chapter, very interesting, very interesting, mathematics. If you know the mathematics, this chapter is nothing. Only formulas are control system there. Formulas are control system, but everything is mathematics. If you see the notes, you will assume, oh, this is a control system subject or math subject, like that feeling. So here, dear, now I'll check it. Yes, dear. I'll check it here. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Students are very nicely responding. Okay. Very good, dear. That type of mentality, you have to motivate. Faculty have to motivate the students also. Very good. State space analysis. In the state space analysis, both way, dear, very dangerous, very important. Okay, very important. Controllability and observability, dear. Regularly, out of EC electrical instrumentation, without this topic, there is no question paper. This year also I will write on the bond paper. I will write on the bond paper. Compulsory. Without this topic, there is no question paper. Controllability, observability. Compulsory, dear. Either gate, EC or electrical instrumentation out of 3 papers, sometimes 3 papers also, sometimes, but out of 3 papers, compulsory, 1 paper compulsory will get controllability and observability. That is the topmost priority, dear. Topmost first priority. First priority in the chapter I am going to give. Second, dear, second topic, dear, state transition matrix. state transition matrix, in the gate transition matrix. In gate and also what in IES also very important here. In IES also it is providing the question state transition matrix here. Now later now we have to learn trans function. Find the trans function, that is a C product of Si minus A inverse product of B plus D dear. Mainly concentrating from this topic dear. Okay, nice. Students are very nicely responding. Yes, find here any. Yeah, very good comments dear. Now excellent. Let us. Okay, fine. Now nice. Okay dear, this is all about the preparation strategy dear. From all this conclusion, what we can get it, control system is the sweetest subject, beautiful subject, scoring subject. You can score also very well. Okay, now limited syllabus dear. It is an independent subject. Compulsory the subject, if it ends that subject, then only we can start the subject means no link. You can start opening batsman. You can call as opening batsman. You can start interest, it creates a lot of interest dear. You can start first in the gate preparation. If you want to start, you can start the control system also dear. Very interesting subject. Okay, fine. Yeah dear. Yes, in the mode of classes in ACE dear. Okay, fine. Now first one. Yes, classroom. That is a physical class. In the classroom, regular classroom, students are going to sit. We are going to teach in the board. This is a physical class. You know, physical class. Online live classes, Zoom. Okay. Faculty available time, whatever the available time, at that time you have to attend. Okay, either phone or laptop dear. That is the online live classes. Next to pre-recorded classes, already recorded. My classes are going to record. Your convenient time you can listen the classes. Okay, that is the pre-recorded classes. Next to postal coaching. No, I want only books from ACE material. No, I want to read the material means of postal coaching. For postal coaching point of view, what are the books are available generally? I am going to show the sample point of view. Yes, ACE publications dear. Yeah, fine. Yeah, like this electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation, like that for individual subject and previous gate questions. So ESC previous gate questions. So like that you will get the, okay, fine, either observe. Yes, gate 2021, like 22, like that. These are the previous gate questions. And individual subjects, these are the materials dear. Individual subjects, all the subjects will get the individual materials and bits and bytes questions. Lot of practice materials will get from ACE Med. Okay, ACE. Okay, postal coaching point of view. Those who are joined in the ACE student means you will get these materials dear. Now, okay, fine. Yeah, everything is given dear. Nicely. Yeah, fine, super. Now, okay, if you want anything, if you contact, okay, this is my mail ID dear, gnani412@gmail.com. Gmail.com dear, this is my mail ID. Now, okay, fine. If you want anyone, sir, I want to listen more number of classes on the YouTube dear means you can search in the YouTube dear. Yes, in the YouTube, Gyaneshwar sir control system. If you search, you will get the different topics. You can get the free of cost. Okay, free of cost. Now, if you want to listen to my classes, Gyaneshwar sir type control system in the YouTube dear. You get the videos. Now, next dear, okay, everything is I given dear, from my side, very nicely. Now, anyhow, this is the best motivation. I will end the session with you. Yes, dear. Now, whatever the energy level today you have, maintain same energy level up to till the end dear. So, whatever the struggles in between while moving journey, you will get the so many problems. Don't stop when you are tired dear, stop when you are done dear. Now, this is about myself dear. So, I hope you follow my steps. You will prepare nicely, you will get the gate rank, you will settle in the IIT and you will settle in the top position, okay, in the life. So, okay, all the best. God bless you.
For prelims preparation, I took online test series from ACE online platform and used to regularly solve their subject-wise test and full-length test. Then for mains preparation, I solved question banks which were given to me as a part of mains postal program from ACE Online. And then last but not the least, for interview preparation, I followed the interview guidance material which was given to me as a part of ACE Online's interview guidance program.
I am Vinit Kumar. I have secured All India Rank 1 in Mechanical Engineering in ESC 2021. I have been associated with ACE Engineering. I have taken various programs like Lives, main classes, postal study course, test series and interview guidance program. So would like to thank all the faculties of ACE. It has helped me in building my concepts and having my fundamentals cleared. I would also like to highlight that in test series, I have given various mock tests which have helped me in the time of real exam, and in interview guidance program, building confidence in front of interview panel. It has helped me in my success.
Myself, Abhishek Kumar Sharma. I have scored All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2021 in Electrical Engineering discipline. Now, I divide my preparation strategy into three basic things. The first thing is that you have to complete your syllabus from a basic standard source. The second thing is that you have to attempt previous year question. The third thing aspirant has to do is to solve as many test series as possible. I made 2 to 3 pages short notes of each and every subject. Now 2 to 3 pages short notes help in quick revision. If you keep working hard, you will definitely get success in this examination. This is what I followed, and I wish all the best for all the future aspirants. Thank you.
My name is Kuldeep. I have done my BTech from Ambedkar Institute of Technology, which is situated in Delhi, and I have secured All India Rank 1 in ESC 2021 from E&T branch. I took ACE Postal Course, Mains Test Series and Interview Guidance Program in ESC 2020 and ESC 2021.
Hello everyone, my name is Karthikeya Kaushik and I have secured All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2021 from Civil Engineering discipline. For prelims preparation, I took online test series from ACE online platform and used to regularly solve their subject-wise test and full-length test. Then for mains preparation, I solved question banks which were given to me as a part of mains postal program from ACE Online. And then last but not the least, for interview preparation, I followed the interview guidance material which was given to me as a part of ACE Online's interview guidance program.
I am Vinit Kumar.